Hey guys, JD with Car Medic of Hampton Roads. I'm going to show you something I'm working on here. It's a front fender of a Toyota Avalon. It's a dent right there in the body line. So we're about halfway through. We've been able to move most of that body line up, and we've still got some work to do though. I'm going to smooth everything out. We still have this big crown here. That's an area of the metal which has been actually pressed up into a higher point, and that's actually supposed to lay down pretty flat and kind of go into the rest of this contour here, and we'll work that back down, and the next time we check into this we should be looking really nice. Here we are, got the repair all finished. Everything came out nice and smooth. The customer is super stoked about this. This is what high quality paintless dent repair can do.